back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko Antideke. If today's your first on this channel, I am so happy to have you on board. You are very welcome. Yes, so last week we started with Yoruba proverbs, okay? And I got a lot of comments and a lot of questions from that, and today I'm just going to be addressing these questions, okay? And then we'll continue again in our journey of Òwe next week, all right? So I got a few questions, so I'm only going to address one of them today, okay? And I'll be able to reply back to some of us that sent me WhatsApp messages, inboxes on my Instagram and my Facebook. I really appreciate you guys. I mean, we are all learning together. So one of the most popular question was, okay, what is the difference between idioms and proverbs? Okay, an idiom is defined as a phrase that contains its own meaning, okay, but cannot be understood in a layman's language. All right. So an example of that is once in a blue moon. For example, I'll say, I only eat rice once in a blue moon. I think you can easily break that down, that I only eat rice once in a while. Okay? So, for proverbs are popular sentences that I used to advise someone. Okay? So, early to bed, early to rise, makes a man wise, wealthy, and healthy. That is simply saying to you that, well, if you go to bed early, you rise early, you get to work early, so you're not criticized for coming to work late or coming to school late, okay? And then you get to eat your breakfast before leaving the house, you're not rushing anything, okay? So it makes you healthy, you're wise in your time management, and an healthy man is a wealthy man. That's another one there. Yes, okay. So keep that in mind, all right? But in the meantime, we're going to be greeting everyone together in Yoruba language. You know. 1, 2, 3, go. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́. A kú dédé àsìkò yìí ní gbogbo tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Àntidékẹ́. Ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá, a bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa kọ́ nípa òwe àti àṣìpa àwọn òwe Yorùbá. Mo sì fún yín ní àpẹẹrẹ kan. Nídìí tòní, mi ò ní kọ́ nípa òwe kankan ní òní, àmọ́ ó ní àwọn ìbéèrè kan tí ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Olùkọ́ Àntidékẹ́ tẹ́ fi ṣọwọ́ sí mi ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá nípasẹ̀ fọ́nrán ti ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá tẹ́ wò. Ṣé wá rí, màá dáhùn àwọn ìbéèrè yẹn lónìí, àmọ́ èyí tó gbajúmọ̀ jù nínú gbogbo àwọn ìbéèrè yẹn ni, kí ni ìyàtọ̀ nínú òwe àti ọ̀rọ̀ bí òwe? Ṣóyè yín, òwe ìyẹn ni proverbs, ọ̀rọ̀ bí òwe òun ni idioms. Òwe jẹ́ àwọn, bí Yorùbá ṣe máa ń sọ, òwe ni ẹṣin ọ̀rọ̀. Ẹṣin ọ̀rọ̀ ni òwe. Ṣóyè yín. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹ̀dẹ̀rẹ́, ọ̀rọ̀ bí òwe, tá a bá sọ wípé ọba wàjà, ẹni pé kò kí ń ṣe òwe, àmọ́ ó fẹ́ jọ bí òwe. Ọba wàjà yẹn lédè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì ni idioms. Ṣóyè yín. Àmọ́ tá a bá sọ̀rọ̀ bí bá mi nọmọ mi ò dénú ọlọ́mọ, òwe jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí a fi ń tọ́ni sọ́nà, tí a fi ń dára wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Tó bá sọ fún yàn pé bá mi nọmọ mi ò dénú ọlọ́mọ, ìyẹn ni pé wọ́n fọwọ́ kan mọ́ mi o, bàbá dẹ̀ mọ́ nà nínà tó jẹ́ pé inú mi ò ní dùn sí. Ṣó ti yé yín báyìí? Mo lérò wípé mo ti dáhùn ìbéèrè yín, gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ olùkọ́ àtidékẹ́ kí ni ìyàtọ̀ nínú òwe àti ọ̀rọ̀ bí òwe ìyàtọ̀ ẹ̀ náà nìyẹn bá wàjà ọba kú nìyẹn wọ́n nílẹ̀ Yorùbá wọn sọ pé ọba kú àná ọmọ mi ò dénú ọlọ́mọ bẹ́ẹ̀ bá rí nǹkan tó fẹ́ fọkàn ọmọ èèyàn kan tẹ̀sán mọ́ pé ni ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí kan máa bọ́ ọmọ òun wí bẹ́ẹ̀ bá sọ fẹ́ tó fẹ́ bọ́ ọmọ yẹn wípé bá ná ọmọ mi ò dénú ọlọ́mọ ó yẹ kóyè yẹn ti yé pé má fọwọ́ kan ọmọ yẹn ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣó yé wa ṣó ti yé wa ó dà ẹ ṣe. I just want you to know that when you say proverbs in Yoruba it's called òwe and idioms in Yoruba is pronounced ọ̀rọ̀. That means words. Bí òwe like proverbs. Ọ̀rọ̀ is word. Bí is like. Òwe is proverbs. Alright guys, I'm going to leave you with that today. And then next week, we continue with our lesson in Òwe proverbs in Yoruba. Now that we've been able to clear the hair and then there's no confusion no more, next week we're going to pick it right there, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, double. Thank you very much. Ẹ ṣeun.